This brand is made in China and can be purchased on Amazon, but the warranty on the compressor is not very good when compared to other brands. The brand uses R32 refrigerant, which is environmentally friendly, and the units have electronic controls with a remote, but the remote does not sense the room temperature. The units use a single hose, which is not as energy efficient as conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned. They use a basic washable filter which does not do much to keep the cooling coil clean or to improve the air quality in the home. The units use self-evaporating condensate technology, which uses the condensate to lower the coil temperatures, which makes them more efficient and minimizes the need to dump a condensate bucket. The PAC-M01 model has a 14,000 BTU cooling capacity, while the PAC-M02 model has a 12,000 BTU capacity. Shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store.